MeriCrusher mulchers offer a fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly way to clear land across forestry, agriculture, construction, and road maintenance. Offering a wide range of PTO-driven mulchers for tractors from 70 to 700 horsepower, and hydraulic-driven heads from compact loaders to excavators and dedicated tracked carriers, MeriCrusher adapts to your machine and to your needs. Forestry and agriculture. In forest management, mulching removes logging debris, stumps, and undergrowth, while mixing organic material back into the soil. No hauling or stump removal needed. Everything is processed on-site. The result? Clean ground ready for replanting. The same method transforms wasteland into productive farmland. Vegetation is crushed and mixes into base soil, improving soil structure and nutrition. With no burning, piling, or unnecessary soil movement, this means fewer machines, lower costs, and faster results. With working widths from 0.8 to 3.1 meters, MeriCrusher machinery offers solutions for everything from narrow planting rows to large open fields. Construction. MeriCrusher handles demanding construction and utility clearing with ease, turning vegetation, stumps, and roots into usable soil directly on site. It's a fast, eco-friendly, and cost-effective way to prepare land for building or landscaping. For pipelines, power lines, and landscaping, mulching creates a stable, accessible base while controlling vegetation long-term. Its compact design works in tight spaces, while deep crushing up to 40 centimeters tackles even rocky or frozen ground on larger projects. From urban lots to utility corridors, MeriCrusher delivers precise, sustainable results anywhere you need to build. Road maintenance. Road maintenance doesn't have to mean hauling in new gravel or removing old layers. With tractor-mounted MeriRoad equipment, you recycle directly on-site, whether it's gravel, stone, or even broken asphalt. Worn-out gravel roads are crushed and reshaped into a fresh wearing course, often without needing any new material. For deeper damage, stabilizing agents can be added to reinforce the base and extend road life. Damaged asphalt is crushed and compacted on-site, creating a strong base, or even serving as the new surface. The result? Faster work, fewer machines, and significantly lower transport and material costs, all with a clean, efficient process. Ice and snow removal. When plows and blades can't cut it, MeriCrusher takes over. Hard-packed snow and ice are crushed cleanly, exposing the road surface or creating a traction layer. Compact hydraulic mulchers mounted on loaders or skid steers are perfect for tight areas like yards, intersections, or parking lots. For all seasons, MeriCrusher gives you full control over the surface, the schedule, and the cost.